Hello, welcome to the FACNC Expert YouTube channel by Fabian Achaval. In this video, we'll walk through how to access the embedded machine manuals on an Okuma OSP P300LA control and how to copy them directly to a USB drive. Here you have four main function keys. The first icon allows you to go back to previous menu. The second, with the OSP logo, takes you directly back to the main OSP home screen. The third icon with the gear opens the maintenance and parameter setup menu. The fourth icon with the cross opens diagnostics, alarm display, and system help. And the fifth with overlapping windows allows you to switch focus or change views between open screens. First, on the right side of the screen, open the vertical menu bar. Look for the machine manual icon. It looks like a small manual or document list. Tap the icon to launch the manuals list window. From here, you can select and view any of the embedded PDF manuals, such as operation, maintenance, or parts books, directly on the screen. If you don't see that shortcut on the side menu, tap the Home button at the top right to go to OSP Suite. From the Suite menu, you can also access the Manuals viewer directly from the bottom navigation bar. Now, to back up or copy these PDF manuals to an external USB drive, go back to the side menu and open the Windows Explorer shortcut. Once File Explorer opens, navigate to Computer to User, D drive. Look for the folder labeled OSP Suite, open document_LIB, and then open the PDF subfolder. Here you'll find all the PDF manual files. Go back up one level to the OSP Suite directory. Select the document_LIB folder and press Ctrl+C on the physical keyboard to copy it. Now select your connected USB drive on the left navigation panel. Click into the destination folder and press Ctrl+V to paste. Once the transfer completes, all machine manuals will be saved to your USB drive. If this content added value to you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Keep curious, keep learning, stay tuned. Thank you for visiting. See you in the next video.